What's up everybody? As always, hope you guys are having a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys 4 sneaker books that can really help you out if you're just getting into sneakers, or if you've been in sneakers for a long time but are still yearning for more information. As we know, there is so much to learn about sneakers, so here are 4 books that I believe can help you learn more about sneakers. Before we get into the video, I just want to say make sure to check out the first link in the description and shop Kicked Out LV for sneakers and streetwear. We are on eBay, Poshmark, Instagram. It really supports the channel. I also want to mention the links for all these books will be in the description below. They are affiliate links, so it helps out the channel. Make sure to check it out. Alrighty, to begin, probably the most viral sneaker book we have seen, the Ultimate Sneaker Book. It got so much information. It is huge. It is nice to have as decoration. It is nice to read. If you guys follow my Instagram, you saw the picture I posted of this one with the lost and founds because it had some really nice pictures. You guys can see the quality of photographs, the effort that goes into this book. When I was doing the video on Bape versus Nike, I actually took information from this book. So definitely a lot of great valuable knowledge in here. Even just from reading a few pages, you can learn so much. This book is expensive, but literally it might be the only sneaker book you will ever need. You can read it here and there, pick it apart. There's just everything in this book, so I definitely recommend you check this one out. It is lovely too. This gold cover, that is sick. So a must-have for anyone getting into sneakers, the Ultimate Sneaker Book. So yeah, that was the first one, the Ultimate Sneaker Book. Really good one. Next up is Complex Sneaker of the Year. I like this one because it is super easy to read. You just pick a year, pick a sneaker, and you can read a few pages on it. I enjoy this book because it has stories from Matt Welty and Brendan Dunn, who are from, ooh, there we go, we got the question, who are from Full Size Run, which is a great show. You should definitely check it out. It also includes not only the Sneaker of the Year, but honorable mentions. This book I resourced for a lot of Air Jordan unboxings. Here we have the Air Jordan 1s. It gives good story of the Air Jordan 4s, the Air Jordan 3s, the Converse weapons. I actually, after reading the Converse weapon story, I was like, yo, I definitely want a pair of these. The good thing when you're reading these books is that it introduces you to new sneakers. So yeah, definitely check this one out. I think I just showed kind of how young I am bringing up the Converse weapons, but definitely check this one out. Complex Sneaker of the Year, link in description. Now before we get into the last one, which is probably just almost my favorite book in general, I want to bring up this book. So Golden Kicks, The Shoes That Change Sport. I like this one because it had info on the question. I really like the question, but it also has a lot of info on just shoes and sports. So if you're someone who enjoys sports as well as sneakers, this is definitely the book for you. It kind of goes away from fashion and focuses on sneakers, more how they change the game of sports. And definitely some really good passages in here. Again, a great book to resource. Here we have the Nike Gold Spikes. Good story. Definitely check this one out. A lot of different sneakers in here, and it talks about sport as well, which is really fun. Last up, probably one of my favorite books of all time, not just sneaker books, but books in general, because of the hope it provides, because of inspiration, perseverance, and the quotes it provides. I literally found one of my favorite quotes of all time from reading this book, and the whole quote is, "You ask us what our goal is, I can answer in one word. It is victory. Victory in spite of the terror, victory at all costs, victory no matter how hard and long the road to it may be, because without victory there will be no survival." That is from Winston Churchill, and maybe you caught on with the victory quote, but I am talking about Phil Knight's Shoe Dog. This book is amazing. It is so good. It talks about naming sneakers. It talks about what Nike had to go through. If you watch the Air movie and like the Air movie, you're definitely going to like this book. You have a small business, or if you're working toward a big goal in life, this book is going to be something you're really going to enjoy reading. I cannot praise this book enough. This book is really invaluable, and I definitely recommend you reading it. If you decide to pick up one of these books today, trust me on this one, check out Shoe Dog. So to recap, we had the Ultimate Sneaker Book, we had Complex Sneaker of the Year, we had Golden Kicks, and we had my favorite, Shoe Dog. Let me know if you guys decide to pick any of these up, or let me know if you have these already in the comments below. As always, hope you guys have a beautiful, blessed, and lovely day. Make sure to check out Kicked Out LV. Links for the books are in the description below. See you in the next one. Peace. It's just it also has honorable mentions sneakers. Trust me on this one. So those